Plumeria plant facts, everything you need to know. Known for their captivating beauty and alluring fragrance, Plumeria plants grace gardens across the globe with their vibrant floral display. These alluring members of the dogbane family, Apocynaceae, bring an unmistakable tropical air wherever they take root. If you're tempted to add this flowering gem to your landscape, you've landed on the right page. In this informative piece, we'll delve into the fascinating world of Plumeria plants, offering insights to help you cultivate one successfully. Origins and symbolism. Plumerias hail from the warmer regions of the Americas, stretching from Mexico through Central America and into the Caribbean islands. The name Plumeria honors renowned 17th century French botanist Charles Plumier, who dedicated his life to documenting numerous plant species in the New World. The symbolism associated with Plumerias is both rich and varied across cultures. Here are just a few. Hawaii, Plumeria flowers feature prominently in traditional Hawaiian leis, signifying love, hospitality, and celebration. Asia, in several Asian cultures, Plumerias symbolize immortality due to their ability to produce blooms even after being uprooted. India, Plumerias hold spiritual significance in India, often featured in temples and used during religious ceremonies. A plethora of Plumeria varieties. Not all Plumerias are the same. With around a dozen known species and countless cultivars, there's remarkable diversity within the world of Plumerias. They vary in size, while some remain shrubs, others develop into beautiful small trees reaching heights of 30 feet or more. Leaf shapes. Leaf variations range from narrow and elongated to wide and oval. Flower colors. The color palette is extensive. Common colors include pink, white, yellow, and red, often displaying captivating blends. Growing Plumerias, essentials for success. Sun worshippers, Plumerias demand full sun, basking in at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal flowering. Warm embrace. As tropical natives, Plumerias crave warm temperatures and cannot tolerate frost. Well-drained soil. Soggy roots are the bane of Plumerias. Provide them with a well-drained growing medium. A potting mix amended with sand is usually ideal. Watering with moderation. Although relatively drought-tolerant, young Plumerias appreciate regular watering. As they mature, allow the soil to dry slightly between watering sessions. Fertilizer boost. Regular fertilizing during the growing season, spring and summer, fosters a thriving Plumeria and abundant blooms. Choose a balanced fertilizer and follow application instructions. Fragrance, pure floral enchantment. One of the most celebrated aspects of Plumerias is their tantalizing fragrance. Described as sweet, floral, and often citrusy, this scent captivates the senses. Interestingly, Plumeria fragrance reaches its peak at night, filling evening air with its intoxicating aroma. Pests and potential issues. Unfortunately, no plant is entirely immune to problems. Here are some common issues and pests Plumeria growers might face. Rust. Rust manifests as yellow or orange spots on the underside of leaves. Treat with fungicide early for best results. Spider mites. These pests tend to be an issue in hotter weather. Treat with insecticidal soap or horticultural oil. Scale. Watch for these small insects which stick to plant stems. Removal by hand or a dab of alcohol usually remedies the situation. Propagation adventures. Propagating Plumerias from cuttings is remarkably simple. Let these steps guide you. 1. Cut a healthy, 12 to 18-inch branch tip. 2. Allow the cutting to air dry for several days to prevent rot. 3. Insert the dried cutting into a pot with well-draining soil. 4. Water lightly and keep in a warm, partially shaded location. The takeaway. With their breathtaking blooms, mesmerizing scents, and relative ease of care, it's no wonder Plumerias hold a special place in the hearts of gardeners worldwide. As you've gleaned, adding Plumerias to your landscape transforms spaces into an oasis of tropical beauty. And the best part? They can readily serve as fragrant, eye-catching container plants on patios and decks. If you enjoyed these Plumeria insights, we welcome you to join the journey and subscribe to our channel for more garden-centric tips and tricks.